Have you ever yawned just because someone else yawned? Oops, sorry, that one escaped.
Yawning may help your brain stay alert when you're tired or bored.
Some scientists think yawning may also help cool the brain a little.
When you yawn, you take in a deep breath and stretch your face muscles.
And yes, yawning can be contagious.
You cannot watch this video without yawning.
If you just yawned right now, your brain joined the team.
So next time you yawn, don't panic. Your body is just pressing the refresh button.
Thanks for watching. Your body does weird things every day. Follow Anatomy Sphere to see what happens next.